Wood's message to him would be try and get me a wicket, try and break this partnership. Even if you have to toss the odd one up.
Wide, it just curving down the leg side.
Oof.
Yeah, that aggressive outlook, looking for wickets, so important. If Butler and Livingston are there to the end, they're players that can create carnage.
What was a noise, bro?